Everyone, welcome to Vaish Courses YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic called Indian Village Gets Best Tourism Village Award. This is a village in Telangana. Its name is Pochampalli. It lies 50 kilometers from Hyderabad in Telangana. And it is also called as Silk City of India because for its requisite saris which are woven through a unique style called as ikat. Okay, before detailedly discussing about this topic, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel, like the video, share with as many members as possible, and comment with your feedback in the comment box. With this note, let's start the video. Okay, this is the news that Telangana's Pochampalli was declared as one of the finest village tourisms in the world by the UN body, United Nations body. So, what is that United Nations body which declared Telangana's Pochampalli village as the finest village tourisms in the world? So, the UN body is the UN WTO. WTO is not World Trade Organization. Okay, it is World Tourism Organization. Okay, it works for the sustainable development goals, and it is responsible, sustainable, and universally accessible tourism. It works for it. Okay, so about the UNWTO, it was formed in 1975. Its full form is United Nations World Tourism Organization. It's an intergovernmental organization, and it has 159 member states, 6 associate members, 2 observers, and over 500 affiliate members. Okay, the General Assembly is the supreme organ of the organizations, and the executive councils will take all the measures in consultation with the Secretary General, and headquarters of UNWTO is in Madrid and Spain. Okay, the secretariat is led by the Secretary General and organized into departments. Okay, it works for the issues like sustainability, education, tourism trends, marketing, sustainable development, statistics and tourism, satellite account, destination management, ethics and risk and crisis management. Okay, this is about UNWTO, and it is a specialized agency of the United Nations. Okay, it encourages the implementation of global code of ethics for tourism. So recently, Pochampalli village in Telangana was selected as one of the best tourism villages by United Nations World Tourism Organization. So the award will be given as a part of the occasion on the 24th session of the UNWTO General Assembly, which will happen in the December 2021 in Madrid, Spain. Okay, officially they did not declare, but they are going to officially give the award on 24th session of UNWTO, that is in December 2021. The Union Ministry of Tourism has also drafted a rural tourism policy which will not only promote tourism within our villages, but also revitalize local arts and craft, and will promote the rural economy. So earlier, Rudrashwara temple, which is also called as Ramappa temple at Mulugu district in Telangana, was given a UNESCO's World Heritage Site. Okay, you can see over here in Twitter, they tweeted that Budhan movement, the Pochampalli village, Budhan Pochampalli village of Telangana is selected as one of the best tourism villages by United Nations World Tourism Organization. So they officially, so they did not declare officially, but they have tweeted. Okay. Recently, World Tourism Organization has also started the Best Tourism Villages pilot initiative. So, what is this pilot initiative? It's a best tourism village. So, what is the best tourism villages started by UNWTO initiative? What is the essence of this? This is a global initiative. This is created to highlight these villages where tourism preserves cultures and traditions and celebrates diversity, provides opportunities, and which will help you to safeguard the biodiversity. So, in order to highlight this all, this UNWTO is starting this best tourism village program. Okay. If you see more about the initiative, it's a pilot initiative by UNWTO. This was created to highlight those villages. Okay, and it also aims to award those villages which are outstanding examples of the rural destinations, and those villages which showcase good practices with its specified 9 evaluation areas. It will have specifying 9 evaluation areas through which they will give the awards also. It also aims to support villages to enhance their rural tourism potential through training and access to opportunities for improvement. Okay, it works for the people, it works with the prosperity in the planet Earth. Okay. Okay, if you see what were the India's entries, like how many villages we have given the entries from India. So for this program, we have given the entry of Madhya Pradesh, Lodhpura Khas village, and Meghalaya, Kongtong village, and Telangana's Pochampalli village. I'll be telling you about the Telangana's Pochampalli, but you need to do little more research about Madhya Pradesh, Lodhpura Khas village, and Meghalaya's Kongton village, and mention it in the comment box. Okay, even other student will learn. If you are from the Madhya Pradesh or Meghalaya, please comment in the comment box by telling the speciality of Lodhpura Khas village and Kongtong village. Okay, these were nominated for the best tourism villages category in UNWTO. So coming about the Pochampalli village is in the Nalgonda district, is often referred to as the Silk City of India for its saris that are woven through a unique style called as ikat. Okay, it has received the geographical indication tag in the 2004, that Pochampalli ikat has got a GI tag in 2004. Okay, Pochampalli is having a unique weaving styles and patterns, and it has received the special focus through the Prime Minister's mantra of vocal for local as a part of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Okay. So in 2015, if you see, to recognize the diversity of weaving techniques and to enrich the handloom tradition, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also inaugurated the first National Handloom Day on 7th August as a tribute to the formal proclamation of the Swadeshi movement. This was made as a meeting at Calcutta Town Hall on same day in 1905. Okay, that was the day of 7th August, National Handloom Day. Okay, Pochampalli is also known as a Budhan Pochampalli. Why it is called as Budhan Pochampalli? If you are a UPSC aspirant or if you are preparing for any other exam, you might have known why Pochampalli is called as Budhan, because in order to commemorate the Budhan movement that was launched by Acharya Vinoba Bhave from the village of Pochampalli on 18th April 1951. From then, in order to commemorate the movement, we have kept the name as Budhan Pochampalli. And coming to Vinoba Bhave, he is the first international figure to receive the Ramon Magsaysay Award in 1958. He was also awarded Bharat Ratna in 1983. The Ministry of Tourism recommended 3 villages of UNWTO. As I have already told you, Kongtan in Meghalaya, Madhya Pradesh, Pochampalli in Telangana. I have told you to mention why Kongtong and Lodhpura Khas are famous. Okay. So that is it for today's video. I have explained you detailedly about everything except about that Madhya Pradesh village and other one. So you have to do research on yourself about that and mention the specialty of the 2 villages in the comment box, so that each and everyone will have like a knowledge. When they will visit the comment box, they will have the knowledge of the 2 villages also. Make an effort, do a little research, you will gain knowledge. There is nothing wrong in doing research. Okay. Thank you. That is it for today's video. Do subscribe, like, share and comment with your feedback. Thank you everyone. Let's meet with another video in the next class.